So when you are working with a buyer right now in this market, and you've shown them 3 or 4 different houses, and they finally find one that they've sort of fallen in love with, let's say. They say, Dawood, this is the house for me. This is the one we want. The asking price is $350. What should I offer? What do you normally say?
So under normal circumstances, I would say, let's go and negotiate the best price. But unfortunately, I think the wake-up call, and I hate to be the bearer of bad news right now, but I've actually lost a lot of deals in this past week just because we bid too low. There's a lot of buyers in this market. There's not a lot of inventory. And we're actually seeing, in some cases, some people actually increase the value on some of the properties that they have listed because they can get more money for it at this point in time. Last week from a listing side, I said it's really great to be able to mark a house fairly because I think you can actually get above asking price than in any other time before. So I think be realistic, right? Offer a great price. See if there's some concessions that we can get from the seller in terms of closing costs. Because in the grand scheme of things, your monthly payment is not going to be heavily affected with a discount, rather than if I can get you closing costs taken care of by a seller. And then the last and most important thing I think here too is let your agent work on your behalf to build a rapport, because I think that's the best negotiation tool between buying agent and listing agent. And try and discover the unknown unknowns. And what I mean by that is sometimes we just don't understand why the seller is selling at that price, or why the seller has held off on selling this property before and it's been sitting there on the market for a long time. And once you discover that and you understand what the motivations are, I think there's a lot of different ways that you can negotiate to benefit your buyer outside of price.